It's vacation time! We're finally on vacation!
This is gonna be so much fun!
Time to see who gets which vacation.
Can I pop a balloon? Which one should I choose? This one. Ooh, what's inside?
We got a fluffy vacation. Yay! We're flying to the fluffy vacation.
Yay! Boarding has begun. Everyone aboard, please.
Who wants to pop the second balloon?
Give it to me. No! Cardboard vacation. We wanted the other one.
Wow!
Don't be sad, kids. Look how many crayons I have. We can decorate your cardboard plane right now. Yay! Wow, a water park. Let's go.
Whoa, 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 not so fast. You need to go through this archway.
Hi, everyone. We're going to the water park, too.
Here are tickets. This way for you.
I'm first. I'm right behind you. Ooh, now it's my turn. Wow, what a cool swimsuit.
Ooh, looks like I should go here. Oh, my outfit's perfect for it.
Hello, we're going to the pool, too.
Your ticket says Fluffy. You go this way.
Fluffy swimsuits.
Awesome.
I'm with them.
Okay.
Something's not working. What? Cardboard? But I have a fluffy vacation.
Sorry, but with that swimsuit, you go this way.
What should I do? Hey, don't worry. We'll fix everything right now. Look what I have here. A soft toy that...
Yay!
Whoa. What are we going to do with it? First, I'm taking out all the stuffing. Now I'm making a few cuts and removing the stem. Let's try it on. Perfect. I'm wrapping a green pipe cleaner around a marker, making these little leaves, and gluing them to the swimsuit's shoulder.
Yay!
This is so cool, thanks. All right, I'm off to the pool. Hi, everyone, I'm here. Let's swim.
Okay, look what kind of float I have. Rumi, are you joining us?
Nah, I think I'll just chill here.
Okay, let's go just the two of us then.
Super, let's go. But there's no water at all. How are we supposed to swim?
Yeah, no fun without water.
Don't worry, I've got this. Look how many styrofoam balls I have.
Wow.
Filling up the whole pool. Wow, this is so much fun.
Yay!
What is this?
Oops.
Oh, I'll show you now. Take that. Finally! Pool, yay!
We finally made it!
Yeah, I'm so tired. I'll just lie here and sunbathe.
Oh.
But where's the water? It's totally empty here. Oh no! What should we do?
You're right, there's no water. Crafty Lou, can you help us fill the pool?
I've got an idea. Let's get a paper shredder and a sheet of blue paper. I'll help. Great. So we're feeding the paper through the shredder, making thin strips. Once the container is full, we transfer them into the pool. And look, a cardboard float. Yay, have fun! I'm jumping in with you. Woohoo! But that's my float. No, it's mine. Hey, stop it. Come on, guys, calm down. They're not listening at all. Crafty Lou, help me. Of course. You just relax for a bit, Zoey, and I'll take care of it. All right, let's take a few cardboard cylinders. We cut off less than half, keeping the whiter part. We join them together, creating curves. The slide is ready, but oops, it has nothing to stand on. So we'll get some more corrugated cardboard, cut out 2 long strips and a few shorter pieces. Then with hot glue, we'll make a ladder. We'll fold the edges a bit and attach our slide to it. I want to decorate them a little, so I'm coloring the slides with colorful markers.
Yay!
Wow, what a slide! Cool! Time to test it out!
Yay!
I'm going down! Woohoo! This is so much fun!
Oh.
Come on, Zoey, slide down! Oh no, I'm scared! Wait, I'll help you. Let's go down together. And let's go! Wow, this is so much fun! I want to go again. Move aside! Yay! You did it!
I want to go down the slide. Let's go. And what's happening? Oops. I think I'm stuck.
Look! What's taking so long? Want to go play? Let's go.
Hey, where you going? Help me.
All right, Rumi, pose for me. I'm gonna draw an amazing portrait. Blue, I'm so bored. Just a minute, you see I'm busy. Bored! Okay, I know just what to do to keep you busy. Let's take a regular plastic bottle, cut off the bottom, turn it upside down, and cover it with a wet wipe. Secure the wipe with a rubber band and trim the edges. Let's grab some markers and color the wipe in rainbow colors. Like this. Now wrap the bottle in pink fluffy fabric and place it on a stand. Look at all these colorful pom-poms here. Let's decorate our bubble maker with soft pom-poms and fluffy stars. It turned out so great. Pour soapy water into a container, place our bubble maker on top, and blow with all our might. Wow, so much fun!
Whoa, this is a real foam party.
Cool, so much foam.
Oh, I'm Santa.
We all look so funny. Now this is what I call fun. Crafty Lou, will you take a picture of us? Of course.
Wow.
Yay! I love swimming. Oh no, I think I lost my favorite hairpins. Zoey, what happened? I lost my hair clips. Oh, I liked them so much. Crafty Lou, can you help us make diving masks? Of course. Now, let me show you a trick. What do we have here? A mask template. I'll take this cardboard template and cut out the middle. Then I'll glue the remaining part onto clear plastic. I'll also need a strip of corrugated cardboard. I'll glue it along the mask's outline and add a cardboard strap. Attach a snorkel, and it's done. Now let's decorate it a bit. Which color should I pick? Let's go with red. I'll draw it red first, then yellow, choosing these two colors to make the mask look more interesting. Look at these two awesome diving masks I've made.
Wow.
Time to give them to the little ones. Yay! Wow, what a cool mask! Shall we dive in? Yay! All right, where are those hairpins? Not this one. Look what I found! Focus! Look, a mermaid! Awesome! Bingo! I found the hair clips and something else. Yay! A ticket to the fluffy pool. Then let's swim up. Zoey, we found your hairpins. Here you go. Thank you so much. I don't know how to thank you. You're so great. Shall we go see what the fluffy pool is like? Of course, let's go. Madam, please allow us to pass.
No, you can't go.
But we have a ticket.
Well, then you can come in.
Wow, this is so cool. Yay, everything is so soft. What a bliss to chill out like this. Look, I'm jumping! Yay!
Huh?
I'm coming to join you! Woohoo! Oh my, what's happening? Not again. Time to get up! I'll show you. Come here. Stop! Hey!
Oh.
Phew, I'm out of breath. I just want to sunbathe peacefully. She's lying down again. Let's go to the pool. Yeah, let's go play. Get up. Crafty Lou, can you help me find something to keep the little ones busy? I actually have an idea. All right, I have lots of colorful pipe cleaners here. Let me pick this one. Next, I'll take a paper tube and wrap the pipe cleaner around its middle. Pull out the tube, and look, we have this little fluffy piece. Now I'll thread another pipe cleaner through it and pull it tight. Trim off the extra. We need to make 4 fluffy circles from biggest to smallest. Stack them all up, and our island is ready. Now I'll make a spring from a green pipe cleaner. I'll twist the palm trees, attach them to the trunk, add some coconuts, and place it on the island. Add a slide for climbing up, and a handle on top. Look at this wonderful island I made. Isn't it pretty? I'm gonna put it in the pool. Wow, what's that? It's an island! This is so cool here! Yay, this is so much fun! Whee, I'm jumping! Phew, finally no one's bothering me and I can just chill and enjoy my coconut drink. Where are they? Oh my goodness, do you see them?
Hey, guys!
Oh no. Oh, hey! Hooray, there you are!
Don't do that again. We were so worried. Well, since everyone's here, let's go get some ice cream.
Yay, ice cream! Oh wow, so many flavors! I want ice cream too. Can I have this one, please?
Of course, sweetie, go ahead.
Zoey, you're here too. Rumi, I'm so happy to see you.
I can't believe my eyes. It's Huntrix and Saja Boys. I'm such a huge fan. Oh my gosh, I'm so lucky to meet you. Can I have your autograph?
Yes. Oh, Zoey, look, that's us on the poster.
Hey, what about us? Aren't we on the poster?
I love you guys too. Look.
Wow.
Everyone needs to know.
everybody, come here. It's Huntrix and Saja Boys.
We love you. Yay! Sing something for us. Sing.
I just prepared instruments for you.
Thank you.
Hey, Crafty Lou, what about us?
We want to perform with everyone too.
Now we'll make an instrument for you too. I have some cardboard scraps here. I'll pick a piece and use a compass and pencil to draw a circle on it. Cut it out. I need 2 of these pieces. I'll put hot glue on the edges and attach a strip of corrugated cardboard. Then I'll cover it with a second circle. I'll also need some cardboard tubes. Cut a small piece and glue it to the drum. Add some legs and set it up. Do the same for the other pieces. I'll decorate the drums with a red marker and wrap the cymbals in foil. Glue on Huntrix and Saja Boys stickers and add drumsticks.
Yay!
Look at this drum set I made. Time to give it to the kids.
Yay! Awesome! Thanks for the performance. You're the best.
Which vacation did you like more? The cardboard one or the fluffy one? Let us know in the comments. Bye-bye!